This is the largest joint military exercise of the United States and Europe this year. The 1st Armored Brigade Combat Team, 3rd Infantry Division, held CALFEX 2025 at the Grafenwoehr training area, Germany. The exercise combined M1 Abrams tanks, Bradley infantry fighting vehicles, ground troops, artillery, and air support such as FPV drones. Before the live fire exercise, each unit conducted a dry run and blank run, ensuring perfect coordination and communication. FPV drones were used to provide a direct aerial view, aiding in reconnaissance and enemy mapping. The exercise also involved medical evacuation and simulated casualties, demonstrating the importance of the support role in combat. This exercise prepares troops for future real-world joint operations. CALFEX is not just a shooting exercise, but a test of strategy and teamwork. From Grafenwoehr, Germany, here's a modern combat simulation from the American military. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more military training updates.